Come up for one more Rasta again.
You have money for lose, man.
Eh?
You have money for lose.
Yeah, man. One more Rasta, come up.
You have money for